What's up guys, Tay here back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up an automation or a email workflow for your email campaigns. What this is going to do is it's going to help you make it easier to manage your email marketing campaigns by setting up what's called a workflow or an automation depending on whatever program you're using. This will make it easier to manage and it'll help you optimize your email marketing campaigns. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and jump on my computer and show you everything you need to get started. Alright guys, so here we are on my computer, and the program that we're going to be using today is called GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is pretty popular amongst other creators and marketers because it's pretty easy to use. Now, I've used different programs like SendLane, which it looked nice, but at the time I used it, it was pretty new and it was kind of clunky, and I could never get my automations to work. I've also tried programs like MailChimp, and with MailChimp, it's easy and it's nice and all, but you can't do any type of affiliate marketing with MailChimp. If you try to, they're going to automatically shut your account down, and that sucks. So my third option after doing some research was GetResponse, and I mean, GetResponse pretty much does everything: web funnels and landing pages. I mean, it does a lot. So getting into this, the first thing you need in order to start your automation is you need the emails. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here to drafts, and you want to go ahead and click on create newsletter. Okay, this is going to allow you to create your emails. Now, another good thing about GetResponse is they have templates for everything. So you don't have to worry too much about how you're going to actually set up or how you're going to make the emails look. So if you're advanced, you can go ahead and use the HTML source, or you can go ahead and use one of their drag and drop templates. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and then subject for your email. So let's see. Email list. Oh, email campaign, sorry. Is missing. We'll just use that for now, and then we'll go ahead and click on next step. Now, as you can see, they give you all of these different templates that you can use, and they're all kind of fancy. Me personally, I don't like using these templates. One thing you got to remember is that not everybody has a good internet connection, so when you have all this fancy stuff popping up, it could take forever to load up, and that could stop somebody from reading your email. So, and something else is that it may not happen all the time, but sometimes your email may get sent to the promotions tab, especially if they're a Gmail user. And you don't want that. You want it to go straight in the updates or into their inbox so that you can assure that they'll see it. And some of these templates will cause it to go into the promotions tab. So what I like to do is start from scratch. All right. And I'll go with the first template, just something to keep it simple. Now, as a matter of fact, no. Go over here to blank template because you don't want to add any images or anything like that. Go over to blank template. And while it's loading up. And then you can go ahead and add the elements that you need. So what we're going to do is just add a text block, which is super simple. And then here you can go ahead and put in your email, whatever you're going to write. This particular video isn't about actually creating the email. It's actually about creating the workflow. So I've already got one set up, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. But this is just to show you how to get started. Once it's done, you're going to go ahead and save this as a draft. Okay. You need to make these as a draft so that when you go ahead and set up your workflow, you have pre-built messages to select from, because you got to have it in some type of category. And the easiest way to do it is just to save it as a draft. All right. So this is how you're going to create your email. Afterwards, what you're going to do is you're going to, let's come out of this, backtrack out of this, go back to the home page. And what you want to do is you want to click on the little menu tab and you want to come down to automation. Okay. Click on that. And then what you want to do is go ahead and create a workflow. Now, like I said, I've already got one set up, but as a matter of fact, you know what? We'll go ahead and create a new one just so I can show you. GetResponse has, it has 3 different payment tiers. You have your basic, your pro, and your business. If you're in the basic, okay, you can create workflows, but you have to use one of their templates. You're not going to be able to build a custom one, which is fine, because I'm getting ready to show you which template you want to use that'll best suit you for your campaigns. All right. Just keep in mind though that you won't be able to tweak and edit it, but if you need to, you can just keep on making new workflows just to keep your automation going. So it's not a problem. It's just something extra that you have to do, something that you want to keep in mind. So what you want to do is go ahead over here on the left side and you want to click on affiliate marketing. Okay. Now, the template you want to choose is the affiliate course promotion. All right. Now, like I said, I've already got one set up, so I'm going to go ahead and click over to that tab and show you exactly what I mean, because I've already got it set up. But this is the one that you want to pick, all right? So we click on it, and this is it right here. So this is what a workflow looks like. And basically what it is, it's a set of triggers of what's going to happen when somebody opts in to your landing page and they give you their email, okay? Now, the way I have it set up is I have an automation, which is something a little bit separate. And basically what that is that once they give you their email, a message will automatically go to them, you know, welcome, congratulations. Or if you're giving them a free product, that message is going to go out and they're going to see that automatically as soon as they sign up. And that's how I have it set up. And as you can see, I already have it set up right here, subscription method landing page, and it's specific. So when they sign up, when they give me their email address, they're automatically going to go with that email. Okay. That's the first trigger. Now, what this automation, what this workflow is going to do is it's going to wait a day. Okay. So after a day is passed, then it's going to send my first email. Now, everybody likes to do theirs a different way. Some people just like to throw promotion emails out there to promote, and hope something sticks. Some people like to provide valuable content. Some people do a bit of valuable content and promotion. It's up to you how you want to do it. It's just something you'll have to experiment with. And it's something that you can actually use these workflows for. But for me, I like to not promote anything right away. I'll send, you know, valuable content first, and then I'll go ahead and see how they respond. If they open that, then I'll go ahead and send them a promotion. So basically, with this first one right here, that's the valuable content. Okay. As you can see, the email that popped up is over there. Okay. So they'll get this. And then what's going to happen is this thing, the trigger is going to wait 2 days. And what it's going to find out is what people, whether or not people clicked on that email or if they didn't. Okay. So if they click on the email, then what's going to happen next with the workflow is that it's going to send them another email, but this is actually promoting the product that I chose. Okay, I click on it. That's the email that pops up promoting the product. If they don't click on it, they're going to get the same email that I sent up here, but it's going to have a different headline. And the reason for this is sometimes the headlines just don't click with people. So you want to try and have a different headline and see if that headline actually sticks and see if they'll actually respond. Now, if they do open this email, what's going to happen is they're going to go ahead and get this email over here, which is promoting the product. Okay. Now, what happens after that? Now, what happens is these right here are tags. Okay. If they go through this workflow and they respond, and they end up opening the email where I promote the product, those subscribers will go to this tag right here. Okay. It'll tag everybody who actually went through the whole workflow. This tag over here is for the people that didn't respond. And what this allows me to do is now I can set up another workflow and I can keep sending the people relevant content to this particular product that I'm promoting because I know they opened it and I know that they're interested. Okay. So with this one over here, these people didn't respond. So what I'm going to do with this one is maybe I'll create another workflow for the people in this section with this tag, and I'll play around with different emails altogether, different headlines to see if they'll click on it, or maybe I'll go ahead and promote them a different product altogether to see if they actually respond to those. So now I have the ability to focus on the people who are actually interested in this product and the people who aren't. And I can go ahead and create workflows according to the tags. All right. So this is basically how you would set up a workflow. Again, every program is different with how they set up. I like GetResponse because it's visual like this and it's pretty easy to set up. Like I said, this is a template and it's easy to understand. It's easy to set up. All I got to do is click on a section and go over to the right, and I can just change a few settings. Like with this right here where it says wait, I can have it wait a day, 2 days, 3 days, a few hours, whatever. You can have it run multiple times. Like I said, when it comes to sending a message, I can go ahead and choose. And this is what I meant. I forgot to mention this earlier, but when you go to choose your message, right? You come over here to automation. You want to pick draft because that's where your messages are. Okay. Then you select the message, and here it is, value content, which is what we will be sending, valuable content. Click apply, and then there's your message. I forgot to mention it earlier, but it'll be here in the video now. So, and again, I can run this multiple times if I want. Send it to only certain recipients. Send it only specific hours. You know, it's customizable. So this is basically how you set up a workflow. Again, pretty easy stuff. If you're just getting into affiliate marketing and you're looking to increase your chances of making a sale and get into email marketing, I definitely suggest you check out GetResponse because it's really easy to set up and it's really affordable. I'm not going to do it in this video, but in another video, I will show you how you can set up your emails or where to get the content from. So be sure you stick around on the channel for that video. And that's it for this one. If you found this useful, please hit that subscribe button and share this out with anybody who you think may need this content. Also, if you can, smash the like button. I would really appreciate it. And that's all I got for today's video, guys. I will catch you in the next one. Take care.